In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the promotions category in Gmail. If you're like many of us, your inbox can quickly become cluttered with promotional emails that you don't necessarily want to see all the time. So, let's dive into how you can manage this feature and customize your inbox to make it work better for you. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and head to Gmail's website by typing in mail.google.com. Once your inbox loads, take a look at the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select See All Settings. This will take you into a world of customization options where you can really start to mold Gmail to suit your needs. Now, once you're in the Settings window, you'll want to locate and click on the tab labeled Inbox. This is where the magic happens. Here, you will see different sections of your mailbox layout, and it's currently where the promotions category might be ticked as active for your inbox sorting. You're going to see several checkboxes next to options like primary, social, and promotions. To turn off the promotions category, simply uncheck the box next to promotions. By doing this, you're telling Gmail that you'd like these types of emails to bypass the Promotions tab and appear directly in your primary inbox or any folder you've specifically set up for them. Remember, while this can help streamline your inbox view by reducing clutter, it also means all the promotional content will now show up directly in your primary tab unless filtered otherwise. This can be useful for those emails that you actually want to keep close tabs on, but it's always good to make sure they're not overwhelming your important emails. In case you receive too many promotional emails, you might still consider setting some specific filters or labels within Gmail to divert these messages to folders where you can view them at your convenience. Once you've unchecked the promotions option, scroll down to the very bottom of the settings page and be sure to hit Save Changes. This is crucial because if you navigate away from this page without saving the changes, none of your preference selections will be applied. Congratulations! You've now turned off the promotions category in Gmail. Just remember that these settings can always be revisited if you decide you miss having that neat separation after all. Email management can be a dynamic process, so feel free to experiment with what works best for you. I hope this was helpful, and feel free to check out other videos on more Gmail tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier inbox.